Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use CJ dropshipping with TikTok. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to create our account in CJ dropshipping. Now creating your account here in CJ dropshipping is pretty easy. You just need to answer a few stuff, connect your email address here. But once you've created your account, we're now ready to basically start connecting our account for CJ dropshipping into our TikTok store. So what we need to do here is go to cjdropshipping.com, log in into your account, and we need to access our authorization. So typically at the top section of your screen here, you should see the authorization here. And when you hover it, you have the following options. Now you have the Shopify, TikTok Shop US, when the 2C, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, eBay, and a lot more. Now in this case, since we want to connect our TikTok Shop, choose TikTok Shop here. But if you're in the US, make sure to choose TikTok Shop US here. Now, alternatively, you could go to My CJ here, and same thing at the left section here. You should see the authorization section, so that says store authorization, and same thing, you should be able to see TikTok Shop here. So once you click on it, you should be able to see this UI, where in this case, you need to add your store. Now, to do that, just click on Add Store here. And from here, it's going to give you some information about the TikTok shop that we are going to connect here. Now, in this case, you need to list products from your TikTok section on the homepage for TikTok stores, as there is a dispatch time limitation set by TikTok platforms. Now, however, for products not found in TikTok sections, you have the option to purchase private inventory and store it in their warehouse before listing and selling. Now, to manage shipping and returns efficiency, set up the CJ shipping and returning warehouse in your TikTok management platform. So if you have multiple shipping warehouses, prioritize the CJ warehouse. Now, also, you need to take note that the full addresses will be generated once your orders are synced in CJ. So it cannot be modified. Nevertheless, they will generate shipping labels and ensure the packages are delivered to the real address provided. Now in this case, for us to proceed connecting our account, what we need to do here is just click on OK, and it should redirect us to another page here wherein we need to fill out some information. Now in this case, we have the Asia seller here. Again, if you're selling from the US, choose TikTok US. Now in this case, we need to choose a country here. So maybe I want to use Philippines here. Just click on next, and you'll be redirected to the TikTok shop or seller page here, where in this case you just need to enter your credentials and sign up, and from then you should be able to connect your account. Now once you've connected your account, we just have to take note the notes that we saw before, and from here on you should be able to start using CJ dropshipping with your TikTok shop account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.